Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into project, let's say it's test 1. And then we have to put the project in list view, which we can do in the top left corner, like this. And then under the name in this row, we find none. We find this little upward pointing arrow and the downward pointing arrow. And here we can set the sorting criteria for the tasks, which can be sorted within sections or none. So it's just the order of how you added, the due date. So it's going to show the next task at the top, or the assignee, or likes, or alphabetical. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.